If you're going through a divorce, you may be wondering, how long does a divorce take? This is one of the most common questions people have when starting the process. The answer to this question can vary depending on several factors. So, let's take a look at what those factors are and how you can avoid drawing things out along the way. The divorce laws in Minnesota play a significant role in determining how long the divorce process will take. The state's laws outline specific procedures and waiting periods that must be followed. A divorce is initiated by filing a petition in the district court where one of the spouses resides. After the filing, the other spouse is served with the divorce papers. The response must be filed within a specific time frame. This is usually 30 days. Following the initial filing, the court may grant temporary orders regarding the following while the divorce is pending: child custody, visitation, spousal support, and use of marital property. In some situations, modifications or extensions to these temporary orders may be needed during the proceedings. This can impact the overall duration of the divorce process. Once the divorce papers are served and the initial response is filed, the discovery phase begins. This involves gathering information and evidence. Some of the information needed includes the following: financial documents, property valuations, and child custody evaluations. The duration of the discovery phase can vary significantly. It all depends on the level of cooperation between the parties and the complexity of the assets. Having an experienced legal representative at this stage will help expedite the process significantly. The type of divorce may also impact the timeline. In Minnesota, divorces can be either contested or uncontested. An uncontested divorce typically takes less time than a contested divorce. This is because both parties agree on all the terms. With a contested divorce, there are disputes that need to be settled, which can draw out the finalization timeline significantly. The caseload of the court can also impact the timeline. Courts with heavy caseloads may experience delays. This can lead to a longer wait time for divorce hearings and finalization. Reducing the time it takes to get a divorce in Minnesota requires proactive steps. You must also be willing to cooperate with your spouse. Here are some essential strategies to expedite your divorce proceedings. Choose mediation to resolve disputes amicably. A neutral third-party mediator can facilitate open communication. Throughout the process, demonstrate a willingness to compromise and be open to negotiations. Focus on achieving a fair and equitable resolution, rather than battling over every detail. Parties willing to negotiate and reach a settlement through mediation can significantly expedite divorce. Next, it's important to gather all necessary documents beforehand. Being organized and well prepared will enable you and your attorney to efficiently complete paperwork. It will also be possible to respond to court requests promptly. In addition, you must carefully review all documents before filing to avoid errors and unnecessary delays. Ensure that your divorce papers are complete and accurate. This will help prevent time-consuming rejections or requests for additional information. Adopting these strategies and maintaining open communication with your spouse can help reduce the time it takes to get a divorce. So, the answer to the question, how long does a divorce take, doesn't have a simple answer. Various factors influence the length of time it takes to get a divorce in Minnesota. But understanding the divorce process can lead to a smoother and more expeditious divorce. If you need help expediting your divorce, we offer mediation services to help you reach a mutually agreeable solution so that you can begin moving forward. If you need help or information, contact us today.